Hello everyone, and this is the third and the final part of the story how I made more than $10,000 on gold OTC. Links to the previous two parts you may find in the description. Be sure to check them out after watching this final part. Enjoy watching. So, we continue the trading session. Things go exactly as planned. The market is down by 5 waves, in the form of 3 declines. And right now, the market is forming 5 waves to the upside. This one is gonna be an A wave. Goes for a 3-wave correction, this is gonna be the B wave. And from this point, it's gonna form 5 more waves to the upside. This will be the wave C. After which, we're likely to see one more huge 5-wave reduction. And basically, this whole thing forms an ABC. I came to this conclusion using the counting of waves on small time frames. And this way, I've managed to predict the upcoming market movements. Well, have a look. I want to remind you that we have this trend line on the chart. There it is. The price touched this line several times. And here we see this decline, 3 ABC declines. And now the ABC rebound is in progress. And all this looks like the inverse head and shoulders pattern. We have the left shoulder here, the head, and the right shoulder, and obviously the neckline. And now we see that the price is trying to break the neckline to the upside. What this could mean, guys? Basically, that we can enter the market here, but a slight risk is involved. The head and shoulders pattern perfectly fits into the Elliott wave theory, and the highest point of the second shoulder is either the end of the second wave, beginning of the third line, or the end of the wave D and the beginning of wave C. We're more interested in the second scenario. Now we see that the price breaks the neckline to the upside. We see 2 green candlesticks with large bodies. They are in zone of breakout. And this is great signal, guys, that this is not a false breakout, and the price is very likely to continue going up. And the head and shoulders pattern could play out here. We'll see. That's why now we look for the trade entry points for buying a call option. I watch different time frames, and now I've decided to buy a call option here. I've detected this small downward pullback down to the neckline. That was a great chance, guys. And if the price goes even lower, I will buy another call option here because the bullish potential here is huge, we can't miss that. And this pullback down to the neckline could just knock out the traders from their positions. This is how they can get scared and leave with nothing. But we're better than that. We don't believe in these pullbacks. We're gonna expect the continuation of this breakout. We're standing our ground, and eventually we're gonna be rewarded, because the market should complete its ABC rebound. As we see, the first position ended up at loss, but we have 2 more call options. Actually, the first trade was almost in profits, but we just had bad timing. Guys, as you see, the market is really struggling here. The price goes below the trend line, and this is a good chance to open another position, the third one. And this way we're gonna cover the loss of the first call option, which was expired at loss. Important thing, guys, that we open a 1-minute positions here, cause we see large green candles at the time when the price broke through the neckline. And this way the bullish impulse could skyrocket upwards really fast, because this breakout is definitely not a false one. And we're trying to eliminate the bears, the market players who bought put options here, who don't believe the price goes upwards. So all the bears are gonna lose today. As you can see, the price fixed above the neckline, and now the market is gonna go even higher. In the meantime, we got 2 call option in profit, guys. The third one is almost in profit. There are several seconds left before its expiration. 3 more seconds. There we go. The third one is also in profit. So we're done here. Now we just watch the market for the new chance. To sum it up, the first trade ended up at loss, but 3 other trades ended up in profits. That's perfect. Now look, the A wave of the wave B was quite huge, which means that the wave C could potentially reach the previous high and go even higher, cause we see a massive green bullish candlestick with a large body right in the point of breaking the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern. I'm gonna show you this once again. Have a look. Here's the neckline. Here's the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. Right here is the point where the price breaks out to the upside. And the head and shoulders pattern implies that the price could potentially reach the same distance as the distance from the top of the head to the neckline. This way, considering the above, and considering that the price is close to the previous high, we're gonna watch the market really carefully, and if the price shows some confidence here, Then I'm gonna look for the trade entry for the price to break through this high, counting on a price boost to the upside right after the breakout. And I think it's the right time to open another 1-minute trade. The price is showing some confidence, and we're gonna expect the sharp breakout of this high, guys. This is how the price is likely to move here. And just have a look at this pump, guys. Exactly as we just predicted. The price is going up dramatically. The breakout is done. Everything's fine. But we should notice that the A wave consisted of 5 small waves, and this wave C could also have 5 waves. And considering the variations of the Elliot's wave theory, let's consider another scenario that could potentially happen here. That this whole movement was the huge 5-wave impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 waves are missing. So we definitely shouldn't rule out this scenario. But for now, I still think that this is the ABC rebound. We got our profit here, and from now on, we should expect a correction in the short term. This correction is in the form of C wave. But considering the fact that we've already fixed the profit on the breaking of the neckline and on the breaking the line of the previous high, I think our plan and analysis played out just perfectly. We made some good money here, and now is the time to leave the market. Thank you guys for watching. Register on Pocket Option via the link in the description and get 50% bonus to your deposit. So register and make money. Put your likes and subscribe to the Trade Titans.